screen visible, students? Hello. Hello, am I audible, students? Please respond.
Yes, madam, audible. Screen is also shared.
Okay. So in the last class, we were discussing about some numericals of software engineering based on COCOMO, function point, and software maturity index. Okay. So let's just focus on this problem. Again, we will be discussing similar type of problems. So see here, is this problem visible to all of you, students? So in this question, it is given a software project was estimated at 864 function points. Okay. And it is given that a 6-person team will be assigned to project consisting of a requirement gathering person, one designer, okay, two programmer and two testers. So all this information is given. Now we have also it is given the salary of the designer is 70,000 per month, requirement gatherer is 50,000 per month, programmer is 60,000 per month, and tester is also 60,000 per month. And here also it is given average productivity of the team is 12 function point per month. So you need to calculate the project cost, and the options are given as this one, this one, this one, and this one. So similar type of problem I have done in the last class. So try to do it by yourself. Try to do it by yourself. And tell me which one is the correct option. Write down in the chat box, students. Same type of problem I have done. In the previous class, it was consisting of 4-person team. That is two programmer, one developer, and one tester. And function point was different, and average productivity of the team is also different in the previous problem. So similar type of concept you need required to do this problem. So do it and tell me what will be the correct answer. And then I am going to explain the problem. Simple, pure arithmetic. Tell me, students, I'm waiting for your response. Shumon,
Madam, I'm calculating.
পড়ো পড়ো। ক্যালকুলেশন গুলো একটু বেশি হবে, otherwise concepts are very easy.
Madam, option B টা হবে
Option B.
43 lakhs spent.
Very good. Okay, same thing. So here it is given like, okay, this is the answer. So here it is given 70,000 salary of designer, 50,000 requirement gatherer, programmer 60, and tester also 60. Here two programmer are there, so that's why 60 into 2 112. Okay, and then it's one designer is there, one requirement gatherer is there, and two testers. So again 60 into 2. So total 6 persons are going on. Okay, after that it is 864 function points is given, and we know that 12 function point per month is the average productivity. Okay, so 12 function point per month. So how many persons are there in the team? That is 6 persons are there. So that's why 12 into 6 will be the total. So if you divide the estimated part with the total, then you will be getting the total time duration. So see here, total function point is 864, average function point is 12 per person month. So that's why we know that 16 total persons are assigned to this project. So see here, 864 divided by 12 into 6. Okay, so if we calculate it, we are getting 12 month. Now here, same logic, you need to multiply with 12. That is one requirement gatherer, 1 into 50,000, then one designer, 1 into 70,000, two programmers, 2 into 60,000, two tester, 2 into 60,000. You need to calculate this and you need to multiply it with 12. So that's why you will be getting the answer as 43,020, 43 to then 40. So see here, this is the B option. So this corresponds to the B option. So B option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. So students, is it clear to everyone? This kind of questions will come as numerical in software engineering. So you need to, these are simple mathematics. So you need to just do the calculation. Don't do any mistake while calculating, because in offline, whether it is offline exam or online exam, they will be asking this kind of questions. In offline exam, you need to show all the steps. Okay. Whereas in online, you will be given 4 options, and among those 4 options, you need to tick the correct one. Okay. So next, see here. See another type of question. Okay. So see here, a company needs to develop a strategy for software product development, for which it has a choice of 2 programming languages. So here there are 2 programming languages, L1 and L2. Okay. The number of lines of code, okay, developed using L2 is estimated to be twice the LOC developed with L1. Here the relation between L2, that is programming language number 1, and programming language number 2 is given. Okay, that is L2 is estimated twice of L1. So you need, in the first, you need to write L2 equals to 2 into L1. Okay, this is the relation. The product will have to be maintained for 5 years. So the time is also given that it has to be maintained for 5 years, and parameters are given. This is the parameter chart. Okay, so see here, first parameter is man years needed for development. Okay, so here the relation for language L1 is LOC by 1000. Okay, so you need to calculate the, you need to form the LOC, and you need to divide it by 1000. And then for language 2, it is given LOC by, sorry, both, for the both it is 10,000. Next is development cost per man year. It is given this. Okay, maintenance time is given, and cost of maintenance per year it is given. Now you need to calculate total cost of the project, includes cost of development and maintenance. So everything is given. So what is the LOC for L1, for which the cost of the project using L1 is equal to the cost of the project using L2. So this is the question, and 4 options are given. So you need to answer which one is the correct. So please try, because this is new. This kind of problem I have not done earlier, and for this you need to think something extra. So not only by putting the by doing the calculations you will be getting the answer, because here some tricks are given. So try to do, then just think how to solve it, then I will be discussing. So do it, students. Just think, understand the question. This is also a very simple question, but understand the logic, what it is saying. instead of writing the LOC value, they have given one relation, that is LOC of L2 is twice the LOC of L1. Okay, so this trick, from this trick you need to calculate the calculate this problem. Okay, you will be fine, you will get the answer. So please focus, students, and tell me which one is the correct option among all these four. সুমন, কি হলো, হচ্ছে?
5,000 হবে না?
5,000 কি করে করলে 5,000?
তুমি যে মেশিনটা রিকোয়ারমেন্ট দিয়েছো সেই মেশিনটা আমাকে পাঠাও, ওই ইমেইলে পাঠাও, প্রিন্ট আউট নেবো, আর একটা আমি ডেস্কটপ চেঞ্জ তোর জন্য এক্সট্রা। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, তুমি আমি এটা পাঠাও, এখনই পাঠাও ভালো।
Okay, so see here, students, please pay attention. So see here, so in this problem it is already given that LOC, that is L2 lines of code developed using L2 is estimated to be twice the LOC developed with L1. So if we are calculating, if we are taking LOC of L1 as X, then LOC of L2 will be what? Twice. So that's why 2X. Okay, just see, simple thing, if you are calculating LOC of L1 as X, then if it is twice of L1, that means it will be 2X. Okay, now here it is given LOC by 10,000. Okay, so for L1, what is the LOC? LOC is X, so X by 10,000. So see here, X by 10,000. Okay, into the multiplied, it will be multiplied with the development cost per man here. So that's why whatever you are getting, it will get multiplied with this value. We are multiplying with this value, and it will be multiplied with plus. Okay, and it will be multiplied with the time and the cost maintenance per year. So total years is 5 years it is given, and per year it is given this value. So see here, if you multiply with this, okay, so you will be getting, you will be getting this. So in this way you can form the equation, and for so it is given both these values are equal. Okay, so that's why first LOC, if you calculating the first, for the first language, if you are calculating, and you need to calculate the second one, and then you need to make it equal. So that's why we are giving equals to, and 2X by same thing. See here, this one LOC by this value, and then in multiplied, it will get multiplied with this value, that is development cost per man year, plus it will the total cost of maintenance per year it is given, and you are multiplying it with the total number of years, that is 5. So that's why you need to multiply these two values, and you need to sum with the rest. Okay, so see here, that's why you are multiplying it and you are doing the sum. So if you do it, you will be getting X equal to 5,000. Okay, is there any problem, students, to understand this concept? Everything is given in the tabular format, you just need to do the calculation. Only the trick given in this problem is the relation between the L2 and L1. From this you need to calculate the result. So students, is it clear? Tell me if you are having any doubt, because these problems are very important.
Thank you boss, thank you.
Anyone having any doubt, students?
Oh, madam.
What about others?
ওখানে আমার বলুন আপনি হবে না চাবি না থাকলে
Gargi,
ও আপনি বলুন
Gargi, are you there?
হ্যালো यस टेल मी
Gargi, Gautam, Shivdas, Ankita, Shomita.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay, fine. Okay. So that's why the correct answer is option B. Okay. So see this question. See, next is this question is based on cyclomatic complexity. Okay. So I have discussed cyclomatic complexity. Yes, I have discussed, I guess. Okay, let's just skip this. I think. Okay. See this problem. So here it is given a software company needs to develop the project that is estimated 1000 function points and is planning to use Java as the programming language whose approximate lines of code per function is 50 is accepted as 50. Okay. So considering a equal to 1.4 as multiplicative factor, b equal to 1 as exponential factor for the basic COCOMO effort equation, and c equal to 3.0 as multiplicative factor, d equals to 0.33 as exponential factor for the basic COCOMO duration equation. So approximately how long does the project take to complete? So 4 options are given. Now just see this problem and try to understand and tell me what will be the correct answer, because here you need to apply a formula, and that formula I have discussed while discussing COCOMO in COCOMO in that chapter. I have given you the formula to calculate how to calculate the effort. Remember, I have given you the formula of calculating the effort and time of development. If you can calculate the effort, from that you can derive the time of development. So based on using that formula you can do. So for your convenience I am again writing the formula. Using that formula, try to solve this question. Very simple question. Only you need to know the formula for this question. If the formula is known, then you can easily do this problem. So we know that to calculate the effort, okay, this is the formula for basic COCOMO. Okay, basic COCOMO model, this is the formula. So effort can be calculated as A into KLOC, that is kilo lines of code, KLOC to the power B. So here B is the exponential factor and A is the multiplicative factor. So that's why see B is here. Now here next, if you have calculated the effort, from that you can calculate the time of development. Okay, so the time of development will be what? C into, okay, whatever effort you have calculated, to the power D. Okay, to the power D. So see, T is the time of development and E is the effort. So first you need to calculate the effort, and after whatever result you are getting, you need to put in this formula, in this time of development formula. And see here also C and D are given. C is what? 3.0, that is the multiplicative factor, and D is 0.33, that is the exponential factor. So you need to calculate the result. Okay, so if you from this you can calculate the time of development. But here see, it is given that I guess yes, 1000 function point and 50. So it is given 50 function point. Okay, so it is lines of code. Okay, LOC is given. So from this you need to but in the formula it is given KLOC, that is kilo lines of code. So from KLOC you need to convert it into KLOC. Okay, so I have already explained how to convert LOC to KLOC. So do it and tell me which one is the correct option. Everything is given. all the tricks I have explained, that in the problem it is given LOC and you need to convert it into KLOC, and effort and time already formulas are given. Just you need to put the values in these formulas and calculate the result. So tell me which one is the correct option. I am giving you time, but I want answer from all of you. Students, I am waiting. সুমন কি হলো বলো?
ম্যাম আমাদের ক্যালকুলেটর নেই, ওই পাওয়ার ক্যালকুলেটর।
বাহ, what about others? Okay, so see here. So here A is given as 1.4, okay? A is 1.4. B is 1.0. That is 1, okay? Now, according to, if you are calculating the effort, okay, then it will be like 1.4. Okay, 1.4 KLOC, okay? So here it is given 50,000. So 50 LOC. So if you are converting it into KLOC, you will be multiplying it with 1,000. Okay, this is the relation. So you will be getting 50,000. Sorry, very sorry. Okay. Here already it is given, in this problem it is given that 1,000 function points are there, okay? 1,000 function points are there, and it is given code per function accepted is 50, okay? So that's why you will be multiplying 50 with 1,000, okay? So that's why you will be getting 50,000, okay? Now this is, you are, whatever you are getting, that is in LOC, so you need to convert it into KLOC, because in the formula it is given KLOC. So you will be dividing it with 1,000, okay? So you will be dividing with 1,000. So see here, divided by 1,000, okay? So see here, so we are getting 50 KLOC. 50 KLOC. Now just same simple thing, you need to, the only trick in this problem is converting this thing, okay? That is this value and to KLOC. Now you just need to put this thing in the formula, that is 1.4 to the power 50 into 50 to the power 1, okay? Then you will be getting some value, like it will be like 1.4 into 50, that is 70. You will be getting effort as 70. And after that, you need to calculate the time of development. So time of development is what? T equals to C. C value is what? C value is given as 3. Okay. So 3.0 into effort to the power D. The D value is what? 0.33. So if you calculate it, you will be getting the value as like 12.3 approx. 12.3 approx. 12.3 approx. That is equal to 12 point, that is equal to this option, that is 12.2 months. So the correct option will be option B. So the correct option will be option B. So these are very important questions, and these questions have already come in some competitive exams. So that's why I am solving this kind of questions, so that you can understand. If you can understand this question, then you can easily do some other simple questions. Okay. So, okay, students, anyone having any doubt with this problem?
No,
Anyone?
madam.
Okay, fine. So, okay, students. So, in the that's all for today. I will be doing some more concepts of this COCOMO model in the next class. That is on Monday. I am having your class from 10. So, I will be discussing this concepts of COCOMO, some more problems in the next class. So, just whatever I have done, revise and try to solve some more problems. If you are getting some more problems in internet, you will be getting some problems in Geeks for Geeks, or you can get problems from your textbook, that is Rajiv Mall. So you can get some more problems. If you face any difficulty, you can ask me. Just try to revise these problems and go through the books and that Geeks for Geeks site and check similar type of problems and try to solve it. Okay. So, okay, students, with this note, I am closing this session. And if anyone is having any difficulty, then they can ask me in the next session, that is on Monday. So, as of now, let me download the attendance list.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, thank you, students. Now you can leave.